सो व्हाट इज अप यू लवली पीपल। मैं हूं आपका अपना प्रथमेश और स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल पे जिसका नाम है लिफ्टिंग इंजीनियर। एंड वेलकम अगेन टू अनदर वीडियो। ये वीडियो जो होगी ये दो लैंग्वेजेस में करने वाला हूं, मैं कम्बिनेशन करने वाला हूं इंग्लिश और हिंदी का। बिकॉज ऑन माई लास्ट वीडियो ऑन सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला's डेथ देयर वर लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स की मेक वीडियो इन इंग्लिश so we can understand this. And today's video is gonna be on death of a superstar. This is 29th today, and well, the people who love Bollywood, Tollywood, Kannada film industry and everything are in a deep mourn on the loss of Puneet Rajkumar. Mr. Puneet Rajkumar, he was a superstar, and around 3-4 hours been the news came that he died. खबर ऐसे मिली कि 3-4 घंटों पहले कि उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है, एंड डेथ का रीज़न अगेन था कार्डियक अरेस्ट, जो कि था दिल का दौरा पड़ना। सो उन्हें एक ऐसा हार्ट अटैक आया जिसे वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाए, एंड whole industry, everyone who followed him is in a deep state of mourn, and this void which has been created by this loss can never be filled, and this is a huge loss to the industry and everyone is really sad. So I'm making this video to educate people, to my audience, that we have been listening to this news. It's been quite a lot of death have happened since 2020. It's been an year since COVID hit and lockdown came, and we have seen a lot of young actors dying because of cardiac arrest. In ages something like 30s and 40s, it is not very common to see someone die with cardiac arrest, but these days it is very common to see people dying with cardiac arrest who are active. Mind my words, these people have been actors, models. They have been putting a lot of effort on their bodies, on their looks, on their diet and everything, and despite of all this they have been dying of cardiac arrest. So a question comes in mind, that why such young people are dying because of cardiac arrest. So I'm here putting up everything in this video so that you guys can understand what leads to a cardiac arrest and why this is happening very often. And we have seen death of Siddharth Shukla, Irfan Khan, the loss of Kapoor family. Now today, this loss, everyone has died of cardiac arrest, and they were in ages. It bangs your mind that why this is happening really, because they were putting a lot of efforts on their bodies, especially Siddharth Shukla. The video I made on Siddharth Shukla was a hit, and I got a lot of comments regarding people's concern that it was not cardiac arrest, it was murder and all. So guys, I won't go deep into that. I'll just put it in a general that why cardiac arrest is happening. So there are a few reasons why cardiac arrest happens. I have already discussed all this in Siddharth Shukla's video, but that was in Hindi, and many people commented that we want a video in English because they don't understand Hindi. So इस वीडियो में मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों बोल रहा हूँ, आपको समझ आ सके ताकि। So जो पहला पॉइंट मेरा है वो है कि एक स्टडी हुई, एक रिसर्च हुई, और उसमें ये पाया गया कि जिन लोगों को कार्डियक अरेस्ट होता है उसमें around 80 to 90% people, a study was there, and in which it was found that the people who die because of cardiac arrest, around 80 to 90% of people from them have blockages in their arteries, which causes restriction to the blood flow, which leads to cardiac arrest. And it is quite understandable. Suppose this is your artery, this be diameter for your artery, and blood is passing through it, and if I block 50% of this area, now the diameter shrinks from is to this half area is blocked, so only half is left for blood to flow. So you can understand the pressure that will that will be created by just blood passing through this half area, which was earlier used to be this complete area. So you can understand the pressure that will the heart will have to handle it, and which leads to heart attack, cardiac arrest. Now second point is inactivity. Inactivity is directly proportional to increasing chances of cardiac arrest. So if you are not active enough, you are more prone to have cardiac arrest, because your cardiovascular health will not be up to the mark. So increase your activity, move more, sit less, and you'll be fine. So if we consider these things, so these actors have been putting a lot of effort. As you can see their physique, they used to run, they used to do workout, they used to strength training, Zumba, whatnot. So why are they facing such things? Again, there are multiple points on which cardiac arrest can happen. Another thing is use of drugs. Bollywood industry, we all know it is a very dark thing, very dark secret, be it regarding drugs or any other thing, and it is very often very common in film industries. So yes, be it excessive use of drugs, alcohol, uh, another one is use of steroid, and not having proper diet, use of a lot of oils. LDL increases in your body, you know, that is cholesterol levels, bad cholesterol increases in your body, which leads to cardiac arrest. And okay, let's put all this aside, because these were actors, film stars, superstars. They have been earning money through their bodies, and they have been putting money they earn into their bodies to look more and more enhanced, to look more and more attractive, even though they had cardiac arrest. So the point is कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why cardiac arrest in these people who have been putting so much money and effort on their bodies? There are certain things. आपका जो दिल होता है, your heart is supposed to be of a, you know, definite structure, shape, and when some kind of pressure applies externally on your heart, be it with influence of anything, any physical thing, or any suppressant, or any kind of thing, any medicine, be it anything, if it puts pressure on your heart, and it you know, it changes its shape, structure, on any kind of hindrance to the working of heart, it will lead to cardiac arrest. And this is the most, you know, what I feel. We all are making speculations. Okay, I'm a guy who did some research and making video, and I'm not the one who will be doing the postmortem of this superstar, and I'm not the one who will be knowing exact reason for the cardiac arrest. We all are here putting up the assumptions, the points which are possible, the possibilities which could have happened, which could have been the reason for cardiac arrest. And that's why I made this video, and I hope you will understand what points I was talking about. And that's it, guys. So if you lack in any of these things, kindly put in the efforts, and make sure that you don't you know, create a void, and this can happen. So put in the efforts, be active, take care of your diet and supplementation, everything, and things will go fine in your way. बाकी जो होना है गाइज, उसे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. अच्छे अच्छे लोग चले गए, एंड वी आर नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. सो अगर ये होना होगा तो ये होगा, बट अगेन हम अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट भी ना करें, वो गलत होगा. सो stay away from things that can cause you problems, be it alcohol, be it smoking, be it use of steroids, or any kind of drugs, or any bad habit that, you know, hinders your heart's functioning. So stay away from that. And I think this any of these could be possibility for a heart attack for the superstar of Kannada industry. And I'm really sorry to say, but yeah, we don't have him anymore with us. So yeah, again I'll repeat that the void can't be filled. It is impossible to fill the void that has been created by the loss of this superstar. And I hope you liked the video. I hope I was good enough to educate you about the points, the possibilities. So keep these things in your mind, put in the efforts that are required, do at least what you can do, and leave rest on destiny. So that's it guys for this video. I hope कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है, if you like the video, do like the video, comment down what you think could have been the reason for cardiac arrest for today's demise. And do let me know what you want to see ahead, which topics you want me to cover. And that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video with everyone you care of. I'll meet you again in another video with another topic. Till then, take care of yourself and be active.